Good evening, dear kids. Today we'll be taking our next. We are doing 14A, and in 14A I am taking our question number 6. Question number 6 says, thus line 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Bisects the line joining points 5 minus 2 and minus 1 comma 2. लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. क्या ये अगर 5 माइनस 2 यहाँ पे है, माइनस 1 2 यहाँ पे है, तो ये वाली लाइन क्या इस लाइन को बाइसेक्ट कर रही है मतलब क्या इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर रही है? कौन सी लाइन? जिस लाइन का ग्राफ है 3x माइनस 5 है, इक्वेशन है ये. तो इस लाइन का ये इक्वेशन है और इन दोनों के क्या मिड पॉइंट, क्या वो बाइसेक्ट कर रही है इन दोनों पॉइंट से बनी हुई लाइन को? So for that, first you have to take the midpoint of this line. Getting my point? And how do you go for finding a midpoint? Is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. तो हम पहले फाइंड करेंगे सपोज पॉइंट m. तो m के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? m के दो आएंगे x and y. So how you will find x? x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. That way you will get 5 minus 1 upon 2, that is 4 upon 2, that is 2. And here you will get minus 2 plus 2 upon 2, that is 0 upon 2, that is 0. So you got the coordinates of m as 2 comma 0. Now you have to find whether this 2 comma 0 lies on this graph, that is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Now you have to put x and y in 3x minus 5y is equal to 6, and if your left hand side and right hand side are equal, you will say yes, these points lie on this graph, on this line, and this line is a bisector of a line joining 5 minus 2 and minus 1 comma 2. Is that clear? Problem number 7. The line y is equal to 3x minus 2 bisects. ये बाइसेक्ट कर रही है किसको? एक पॉइंट है a, 3, लाइन जॉइनिंग a, 3 एंड 2 माइनस 5. ये बाइसेक्ट कर रही है मतलब y इज इक्वल टू 3x माइनस 2 लाइन इस चीज़ को बाइसेक्ट कर रही है. दैट मीन्स अगेन यू हैव टू फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट. एंड हाउ यू विल फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट? This plus this, a plus 2 upon 2 will be your x coordinate and y coordinate will be 3 plus minus 5 upon 2. Once you got the x and y coordinate of your midpoint, if suppose this is m, so you got the x and y coordinates. That is, I think you will be getting a plus 2 upon 2 and minus 1. So you got x as a plus 2 upon 2 and y as minus 1. You got this. Now you have to put this into this equation. That is, y is equal to, I'll check the equation, y is equal to 3x minus 2. So in that you have to put x as y as minus 1 because you got y as minus 1. So you'll put minus 1 and x as a plus 2 upon 2 minus 2. Yes, once you solve this equation, my dear kids, from there you will get the value of a. Clear? From the 7th you have second. In that you have the line x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. It bisects same problem, similar problem, 8 minus 1 and 0 comma k. So first you have to find the midpoint. m के coordinates लगाओ, m के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करो. दैट इज m इज अ मिड पॉइंट. ये बोला गया है कि ये लाइन इसको बाइसेक्ट कर रही है. बाइसेक्ट कर रही है मतलब इनको इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर रही है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ m. एंड हाउ यू विल फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ m? यू नो वेरी वेल. दैट इज x कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 8 plus 0 upon 2, this plus this upon 2, and y coordinate will be minus 1 plus k upon 2. Yes, so you will get x and y coordinate. Of course, y coordinate in the form of k. So that you have to put it into this equation. Yes, my dear kids, from there you will get x as 4 and y as k minus 1 upon 2. I'll put it into this equation. That is, where's my equation? Let me check again. Okay, this is my equation. X minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. So you have to put the value of x and y. You got x as 4. So 4 minus 6y. Y is k minus 1 upon 2 plus 11 is equal to 0. My dear kids, once you solve this, you will get the value of k from here. Now, many kids do not know how to solve this. For them, I am solving it for you all. So from there, now you can solve it. Okay, so that will be k value you will get as 6. Clear? Next, we'll jump on to problem number 8. The point minus 3 and 2 lies on the line ax plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Calculate the value of a. So you have to put x as minus 3, y as 2. Once you solve this equation, you will get the value of a. Problem number 8, part 2, you have line y is equal to mx plus 8 contains point minus 4 and 4. That means x value is given, y value is given, and you have to find the value of m. Easy? You have to just put in the values. So the chapter is very, very easy. Problem number 9, which says the point P divides the line 2, 1 and minus 3, 6. इन पॉइंट से बनी हुई एक लाइन है in the ratio 2:3. Now this point is not, this is 2:3. So अब आपका सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज़ होगा. अभी तक जो हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे थे दैट वॉज मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला. अब आपको सेक्शन फॉर्मूला अगर याद हो तो वी हैव डन x इज इक्वल टू m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. In that you have to put this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Put in the values and this is your m1, this is your m2. Put in the values and get the value of x. What is the x? X is the coordinate of, suppose this I am putting it as p. So x will be the coordinate of p. And then you have to find y. And what is y? m1, y2, m2, y1 upon m1 plus m2. From there you will get the value of y. So here will be your y. So you got x and y coordinates of your point P. And once you got that, they have asked does P lies on the line. तो अब क्या P point जो भी आपके coordinates आए हैं, you have to check what coordinates you are getting for P. I think P will be 0,3. So just check. हाँ, P के जैसे ही पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं तो आपको ये बताना है क्या ये P पॉइंट आपके इस लाइन पे है कि नहीं है. तो उसके लिए आपको ये x और ये y लेना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग राइट हैंड साइड एज 0, यू विल से येस द पॉइंट P लाइज ऑन द लाइन. क्लियर? Okay, problem number 10. Problem number 10, we have the line segment joining 5, minus 4 and 2, 2 is divided by point Q in the ratio 1:2. Same, आपको Q के coordinates find करने हैं. कैसे find करने हैं? By section formula. Section formula you know very well now. Okay, once you got the coordinates of Q, you have to find does the line x minus 2y is equal to 0 contains Q. क्या Q point x minus 2y is equal to 0 पे आता है कि नहीं? तो you have to put in the value of x coordinate of Q and y coordinate of Q into this equation and find whether right hand side you are getting it as 0. Yes? Problem 11, and it says find the point of intersection of line 4x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. My dear kids, जब हम ग्राफ बनाते हैं और दो लाइंस कहीं पे इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं, उसकी पॉइंट जब हमको फाइंड करनी होती है तो हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? अगर ग्राफ के थ्रू है तो हम डायरेक्टली उसको प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं ग्राफ पे और उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिख लेते हैं. लेकिन अगर ग्राफ के थ्रू नहीं है और हमको इक्वेशंस मैन्युअली सॉल्व करके बतानी है तो व्हाट वी विल डू इज़ वी विल सॉल्व देम साइमल्टेनियसली. How you will solve simultaneously? You will put 4x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y is equal to minus 9. Now you have to equate any one. आप देखो आप क्या कर सकते हो. You can multiply this with 3 and once you multiply this with 3 आपका y eliminate हो जाएगा और x की वैल्यू -2 आएगी. You have to put this x value into this and you will get the value of y as 3. Once you got value of x and y, these are the coordinates of your intersection point. मतलब ये आप समझ रहे हैं, मतलब ये इसके intersection point आ गए -2, 3. Now further they have said if this point lies on this equation, एक equation दिया गया है 2k minus 1 x minus 2y is equal to 4. इस equation में क्या ये points नहीं, ये points आ रही हैं इस equation में और उससे हम लोग को k की value find करनी है. तो what you will be doing, you will just simply put these coordinates of your point of intersection, that is -2 and 3, into your equation and find the value of k. Clear? Shall we do it? Okay, you got x as -2 and y as 3. I'll put it in 2k minus 1. X minus 2y is equal to 4. I'll put the value of x. Okay, 2k minus 1 into -2, 2, 3 is equal to 4. For that it will be minus 4k plus 2 minus 6 is equal to 4. That will give me minus 4k. Minus 4 is equal to 4. That will give me something like this. And k will be -2. Clear? Okay. Let's jump on to problem number 12. And it says show that the lines 2x plus 5y is equal to 1, x minus 3y is equal to 6, x plus 5y plus 2 are concurrent. Now concurrent means they pass through one point. Getting my point? This together, this is a concurrent point. And these lines are called as concurrent lines. Clear? So अब वो एक point के coordinates बताने हैं हमको, ठीक है, whether they pass or not. What we will do is, we'll take two equations. Can we take first 2x plus 5y is equal to 1 and x minus 3y is equal to 6 and solve them simultaneously. From there you will get the value of x and y. Once you've got the value of x and y, this x and y value you can substitute in the third equation, and if third equation value you are getting it as 0, you will say that these three lines are concurrent lines. मतलब आपको फर्स्ट दो इक्वेशन में से किसी भी दो इक्वेशंस में, नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट यू टेक फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, यू कैन टेक एनी टू इक्वेशन, सॉल्व देम साइमल्टेनियसली, गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई एंड पुट इट इनटू योर थर्ड इक्वेशन. एंड इफ यू आर सेटिस्फाइंग विद द कंडीशंस, मतलब आपका आंसर 0 आ रहा है करने के बाद, एक्स और वाई सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद, यू विल से दैट दीज लाइन्स आर कॉन्करेंट. क्लियर? Shall we stop it here? If you have any doubt, you can message me.